What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is the best money and credit channel on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. Yes, free. F-R-E-E, free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle. King Hussle X1M, No Rags, Just Riches, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, The Hussle Family, Turn Motivation into Means, Dog Pound Exotic Pups, Goosebumps Horror Stories, Sleeping with the Rain, Milwaukee Made King Hussle 2.0, and King Hussle Live. That's my live streaming channel where I'll be streaming on Twitch and on YouTube. So make sure y'all definitely go subscribe to that. Also, make sure you go follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up. I got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification call or a video. Make sure you see this face. Make sure you are doing legit business and you are getting what you pay for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. What it do, my real King Hussle fans, supporters, subscribers, my real Hussle Nation Empire family members, and we are back at it again with the gems. We are back at it again with the sauce. I'm back at it again with the information that's going to turn you into a boss. So you tired of being a zero, you ready to be your family hero. Listen up, take a seat, get your pen, get your notepad, and let's get to these gems. Because I promise you, when I come to y'all, I always got some information that's going to let y'all win and help y'all win. And in today's video, I got a place that's giving out up to $5,000 bad credit personal loans, and they are CPN friendly. And I'm gonna really drop some real gems in this video. I'm gonna be dropping a lot of gems in all my videos, but I'm gonna start really stepping it up a little bit, stepping up a notch with these gems, because I promise y'all, I'm here to help y'all win, all right? And it's a lot of people who don't understand the logistics and the magnitude of credit. Credit is the #1 money game in the world, and there's so many loopholes, legal loopholes in credit that will actually help a lot of people get some money. All right, so without further ado, we're gonna talk about a place called I Can't Wait Till Payday, and they're giving out $5,000 in bad credit personal loans. All right, and you got up to 72 months to pay it back. All right, all credit scores are welcome. Loan options from $1,000 to $5,000. All right, so let's get into this. Let's get into the gems. All right, so first of all, a lot of people gotta understand when it comes to loans, credit cards, or lines. Let me moonwalk it back a little bit. So everybody has a credit score. Everybody has a credit profile, and this credit profile is showing how good you have been managing money since you have been 18. How good you are with managing money, period. And in life, you have bills. You got mortgage. You got auto loans. You got credit cards. You got people who get payday loans. You got student loans. You got a lot of different people that have different loans. A lot of people get loans because they need money to do whatever that they need to do. You get auto loans because you can't afford to buy the car right out. You get mortgage loans because you can't afford to buy the house right out. You get student loans because you can't afford to pay for school right out. This is why you get loans, because you can't afford to do things right out. So that's why they loan people money. And you got to think about it. When everything costs, right? Everything costs. Cars, clothes, groceries, computers, laptops, cell phones. Everything that we have, it costs. Everything costs. When you turn 18, you're a legal adult. 9 times out of 10, when you become a legal adult, you have nothing. Zero, absolutely nothing. Everybody's situation is different. A lot of people don't have parents. A lot of people stay with their grandparents. A lot of people stay in the streets. A lot of people's situation is different. So when people grow up and they're in school, the main thing they say is, man, I can't wait to graduate. Oh, I'm not going to college. I'm done with school. I'm done with getting up early in the morning and staying here all day. I just want to chill and do whatever all day. Like, this is what everybody is saying. Their #1 goal is to get out of school. Once they get out of school, you got options. Everybody has options. You can either get a job, you can either go to school, or you can do whatever that you want to do. But your life is based on your actions and your decisions. So it's a lot of people that figure out, okay, I need to get some money. Nobody's going to give me $1. So they get jobs. So they go to school. They learn trades. They figure out how to put themselves in the universe as a citizen. You got people who don't go to school. They hustle. They getting in the streets. They do a lot of different things. I'm saying this to say, not one time did they teach us credit. Because if they would have taught us credit, they would have taught us that, okay, credit is the #1 money game in the world. When you graduate high school or you're in high school, because you can get a job at 16, having a job will allow you to get a loan. Credit card, a line of credit. So when you turn 18, you want to start your journey into life, and you need to get some money to help you do that. By you having a job, you get W-2s, you got a bank account, you get bank statements, and you get pay stubs. Right? And you can get jobs when you're 6. When I was growing up, you can get jobs when you was 14, but I don't know how it is now, but you can get a job when you're 16. Kids is working hard right now at 16. Kids is actually motivated to work more so they finish the school early so they can graduate school early and just work all day. Like, it's real out here. Like, people don't understand it's real out here. And playing around and thinking you're going to be the next rapper, the next big thing, and get all this money and live this life, and it's not going to happen. Rappers not making that much money. A lot of rappers going broke. A lot of people going broke after X amount of time because a lot of people aren't investing. A lot of people are getting the bag and they just getting comfortable. A lot of people, when they get the bag, they get comfortable. And they feel like, all right, I got some money. I ain't got to do nothing. This is going to last forever. No, bills is every 4 weeks. You got to live. You got to do a lot of different things. You got to invest. Like, all this adds up. A lot of people don't understand that. So when it comes to business and it comes to all of these things, people got to understand that credit will save your life. So when people are trying to get loans, credit cards, and lines of credit, it's a dog-eat-dog world. They don't care about what you did then. They care about what you're doing now. And I say that because it's a lot of people out there that might have had accounts on their credit report that they have paid off that got them a decent credit score. But they're still having problems getting approved for loans, credit cards, and lines of credit. You have to always hold debt on your credit report in order to get approved for any type of loan, credit card, or line of credit. And the amount of debt that you have on your credit report will determine how much you get approved for that loan, credit card, or line of credit. It's a lot of people out there that feel that having the lowest debt on their credit report or being reported is good. Like, oh yeah, I ain't got no debt. I don't owe nobody. That's bad. They don't want to see that. And they want you to think that so you won't be able to get approved for money. They want us to believe that having zero debt is what we need, is good, because they don't want us to be in a position to get the bag. Because the rich, they know that the more debt that you have, the more funded that the banks and lenders will give you, because you're showing on paper that you can manage a large amount of money. So it's a lot of people out there till this day trying to clean, quote unquote, clean their credit. And when they say clean their credit, they're trying to delete accounts off their credit report, which is deleting age, deleting payment history, and deleting debt off their credit report that you can't get back, that you got to rebuild. And banks, lenders, and groups mainly want to see primary trade lines, vice versa than credit builder trade lines, because primary trade lines are primarily in your name. Credit builder trade lines are nothing but savings accounts that report to your credit report as trade lines, and every month you're paying on it. It's a savings account. You put money into this account, paying and putting money into this account, and that's all you're doing. And after you put the amount that you selected, 5,000, 10,000 in there, it unlocks and you get that payment back. A lot of people don't understand that. A lot of people don't understand what's going on when it comes to credit builder loans and primary trade lines, the difference between the two, and it's messing them up. So I'm trying to get y'all to understand how credit works, so y'all can have a better understanding. Y'all can make the better decisions and better moves when it comes to cleaning and building y'all credit, because y'all want to actually keep that debt on y'all credit reports. A lot of these accounts got payment history on them that y'all need. Man, y'all be tripping with these dispute letters and all that. Late payments, y'all not supposed to delete late payments. You're supposed to be forgiven for that late payment that's being reported, because if you delete late payments, you deleting payment history. That's another thing that people mess up on. So you want to boost the debt on your credit report. You want to boost the payment history on your credit report. You want to boost the age on your credit report. Because when they go look, they say, oh, you've been managing $500,000 for 15 years with good payment history, and you make enough money, of course we're going to give you a high limit loan. You only got $4,000 in debt. You got a 6-year-old credit report. You only make $4,000 a month. Nah. Before taxes. This is what they're looking at when they go pull and do hard and soft pulls on your credit report. And then people are like, man, I still didn't get approved. This is why. Like, it's really not science. Like, it's not rocket science. Like, it's just people don't understand these things. So, it's a lot of places that offer trade lines. You got Credit Strong, Magnum Credit. That's $40,000 right there in trade lines. You got, like I said, you're supposed to have 5 primary trade lines on your credit report. 5. Line of credit, primary, installment, revolving, auto, and mortgage. That's 6, but it's really 5. Installment, revolving, line of credit, auto, and mortgage. And 2 credit cards. But a line of credit is technically a credit card. So having secured credit cards like Open Sky, those will help. Low limit credit cards, that'll help. Secured credit cards will help because you're basically starting your own credit limit. A lot of people don't understand that. You got $2,500, $5,000, you'll get you a secured card and put that on a card. It's going to report that you have a $5,000 credit card and you're making payments each month on time. Like, people don't understand how to legally finesse their business and personal credit. It's not hard. But then it goes back to say a lot of people don't even know how to make money. A lot of people don't even know how to put themselves in a position to get money. Well, get a job. Make sacrifices. A lot of people put their pride is in the way from them actually being successful and getting what they need. All right, so y'all need to really take accountability for that. So ain't nothing wrong with getting a job and getting you off your feet and getting you where you need to be. All right, because you can get a job, you can invest, start getting loans, start doing YouTube, start making some money, and your whole life will change around. All right, so add that debt, add the trade lines to that, and then it's a place called Can't Wait Till Payday that will give you up to $5,000 in payday loans or personal loans with bad credit. You got up to 72 months to pay it back. Bad credit, okay. Start online, withdraw cash in your account. Global presence, achieve a goal, whatever you need. Can't Wait Till Payday offers a quick, dependable loan, helping users find the best lenders and easily obtain the money that they need. CPN friendly, 1-minute quick form, money deposit into your account. So loan amount. So if you get you a $5,000 loan, the interest rate would be $13,000. 13% on that. Loan term would be 48 months. The fee would be 12%. Monthly payment would be $131. APR would be 18.38. So total payments you'd be paying back $6,320.12, and the total cost would be $1,920.12. So you will be paying an extra $1,920 on this $5,000 loan. All right, and it basically breaks down everything for you. So it's not that hard. They got loans from $1,000, $2,000, $2,500, and $5,000. They all will report as primary trade lines as well on your credit report. So you need a quick bag real quick, for sure $5,000. You need a primary trade line to report to your credit report. You got a job, you self-employed. Go check out can'twaittillpayday.com. They will give you up to $25,000. Bad credit, okay. Go get approved. Go do what you need to do. CPN friendly, and go get the bag. All right. So shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, and subscribers out there, because without y'all, there would be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping this sauce. And y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. So shout out to all of y'all. Anybody out there that's tired of being broke, because it ain't no joke, let's get to work. FaceTime 101 Limited Gems is $1,000, but for limited time only, I'm doing it for $350. Yes, $350 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the $350 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me a screenshot. Let me know your payment ready, and we will go from there, all right? No screenshot, no reply, no 21 questions, and please do not yo me. Also, make sure y'all tapping in and getting y'all tapping into in-person limited gems for $6,500, $500 deposit. The rest of the money we in person. Meet me in Houston, Texas. If I got to come out of state to you, it's going to be $7,500. You got to pay for my flight and my hotel, and a $500 deposit. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in with that. Also, make sure y'all tapping in with your new age credit repair credit mentorship for $2,500. It will be hands-on mentorship on how to clean your credit, build your credit the right way, start getting loans, credit cards, lines of credit. Also, make sure y'all tapping into my webinars for $500. I'm gonna do 10 people at a time, teaching y'all how to. With any question that y'all got on credit, it's gonna be a little credit class on how y'all can do whatever that y'all need to do. So make sure y'all tapping in with the webinars. Make sure y'all tap into the Telegram, the Millionaire Network. Make sure you go tap in. Still look for people for the production company. Still look for rappers, singers, models, producers, cameramen, and women for the production company. You rap, you sing, you model, you act. Any podcasters, any content creators, streamers, I'm signing all y'all. We're gonna do all that. We're gonna do a lot of traveling, networking, having fun, making money, all that. All right, so tap in. Make sure you go follow my clothing brand on IG, Boost School Department and Hussle Department in French. Dropping new joggers, apparel, and kids apparel real soon. Make sure you go follow my blog channels, No Rags, Just Riches, King Hussle 2.0, Milwaukee Made King Hussle. Dropping a lot of good content over there. Make sure you go follow my reaction channel, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, going crazy with the reaction videos, going crazy. Make sure you go follow my music channel, King Hussle X1M. Just dropped a new mixtape and a single, Hustle and Flow, and Miss Coleman. Go like, share, comment, subscribe, run the views, comments, and them likes up. Make sure you go follow my horror story, Goosebumps Horror Stories. Make sure you go follow my rain channel, my meditation channel, Sleeping with the Rain. I know a lot of y'all need a positive frequency to start making some money. So go listen to them videos and them rain sounds and them birds chirping and all that good things like that when you wake up, when you sleep, because I promise you it'll generate a positive financial frequency for you to start getting rich and start making some money and start thinking the right way. All right, so make sure y'all tap into all those channels, all those videos, go run them views up, them likes and them comments, man. Let's get back in the algorithm. Like these videos, share these videos. We about to turn up this year, man. I'm taking a lot of people with me to the top. So with that being said, it's your boy King Hussle. Y'all know how to get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next lesson or video. Peace.